Imagine this. You wake up one morning and everything feels empty. The job you once cared about, pointless. The friends you hang out with, distant. You stare at your phone for hours, scrolling, hoping for something, anything, to make you feel alive. And then, in the quiet of the night, a terrifying thought hits you. Is this really my life now? Am I lost? Be honest with yourself. Do you feel lost right now? Like no matter how hard you try, life just isn't moving forward. But here's the shocking truth. It's not the end. It's the perfect chance to rebuild your life, stronger than ever. You feel lost because your old life has collapsed. Maybe it's a breakup. Maybe your career crashed. Maybe you've wasted months, maybe even years, in distractions. And that emptiness, it's not random. It's a warning sign. If you ignore it, years will slip away before you even notice. Being lost does not mean that you are lost. It means a new chapter is about to begin for you. Here's the harsh truth. No one is coming to save you. Not your parents, not your friends, not even luck. If you stay stuck, life will bury you deeper in regret. But if you take one step today, just one small step, you begin to rebuild. The problem is, we're all waiting. Wait for the perfect moment. Are you waiting for some miracle? But life says you will do this yourself. I will drown myself in regret. Rebuilding your life is not about changing everything overnight. It's not about becoming a brand new person tomorrow. It's about 3 simple steps. Step 1, cut what's destroying you. Endless scrolling, toxic people, bad habits. Think of them as poison. If you drink a little water every day, you will end your life in one day. Cut them out today. Step 2, add one small habit. Work out for 15 minutes. Read for 10 minutes. Journal your thoughts. It's so simple, but these small steps can rebuild your identity. Step 3, create a vision. Write down the life you actually want. Job, lifestyle, relationships, health. Write everything down and remind yourself of that vision every day. Because without a vision, you will just keep drifting. Do this consistently, and in 6 months, you won't even recognize yourself. You will become the person who wins with discipline, who runs after his dreams, not behind distractions, who is alive in action, not in regret. Yes, rebuilding is painful, but so is staying the same. The question is simple. Will you choose the pain of growth or the pain of regret? Feeling lost doesn't mean your life is over. It means a new one is waiting to be built. The question is, will you rebuild or will you keep drifting? The choice is yours. If you're ready to take control, comment below. I choose to rebuild. Hit subscribe because this is where your new life begins.